Let us take another example. Land reforms in India. As usual, you can go and look into the index and look under land, here also land reform. Under reform you can see capital letter word land there, and you can see reform here. Under reform you can see economics. So you can read this title as economic reform land. So land reform economics. So the number is 33331. Note down the number. Land reforms in economics 33331. Okay, at the same time you have to see the other aspects also. Land reform laws, the other number 346. You have to decide whether that given title is related to law. No. And you can see resources, economics, government law, public administration. So land reforms related to public administration, land reforms, reservations, armed forces. For land reforms related to armed forces. So lot of things are there under land reforms. So you have to decide whether this is related to economics, stick on to that. If it is a land social movement, then you should not give the number starting with 33. If the same land reforms is related to sociology, then the number should start from 30, I think, for sociology, or 310. Okay. So the base number will change according to your subject. So we assume from this title it is related to economics. So we choose 333.31 from the index. Understand? And for India, you have to look the number for India. INDIA, India, the first capital letter word. You can see ancient here, the number is 54. Sorry, for India number is 54. For ancient India number is 34. Note down that. You can see also against India you can see area -54. That means this 54 they have taken it from the area table. Okay, if you see SS here, then this number they have taken from standard subdivision table. If you see REN, then the number they have taken from the racial ethnic national group table, that is table number 5. Like that you can see the abbreviation also. So this 54 they have taken from the area table. Note down that 54 in your rough work. Go to 333.31 in the schedules. So what is 33 stands for? First 33 stands for sociology, social sciences, and the second 33 stands for economics, and 333 stands for land economics. Under land economics, 333.31 land reforms. Okay, under which there is an instruction add areas notation 4 to 9 from table 2 to the base number 333.31. Okay. Now let us go to the area table 2. Area table number we have already 54 for India. Just go to the tables, that is volume 1, look under table 2 areas, look under 54. Areas table is the biggest table. South Asia, India. So for whole of South Asia and India, the number they have given as 54. So some logical mistakes will be there in DDC because South Asia is different from India nowadays, but Indian they have taken it in the positive sense. India as a whole of South Asia. So they have made this Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and this Pakistan, everything comes under South Asia 54, and for India also they have allotted the number 54. So don't get any confusion. For India and South Asia same number 54 as per DDC. Okay, here see the instruction under land reforms, add areas notation 4 to 9 from table 2 to the base number. What is the base number? 333.31. So we have to arrive at the answer. 333.31 is the base number, plus what we can add? We can add numbers between 4 and 9. Is this 54 falls between 4 and 9? Yes. Then we can add easily, because from this 4 and 9 in the tables, 4 starts from, where is that 4? 4 starts from page 35, Europe, and 9 ends in Nine ends in 386, almost 350 pages, more than 350 pages are allotted for areas. So you can add any areas from 4 to 9. 9, what is the last number? 994. From 4 to 994 you can add any areas to this title as per this instruction. For example, simply you can add northern panhandle countries. So if your title is land reforms in northern panhandle countries, then our number should be 333.31 7541. Understand? So this is the purpose of area table and usage. But these areas you should not add without these kind of instructions. That is the main point. Our answer is 333.315. So after first 3 digits, 1 point. After every 3 digit, 1 space. So we are leaving 3, 1, 5 here and 1 space and 4. This is the answer. As usual, after arriving at the answer, you have to look for what is 330 analysis part. Analysis. What is 330 economics? What is 333 land economics? What is 33? Again, you need not put this 33. 0.3. What is 0.3? Individual ownership. IND ownership. Individual. What is 0.31? Land reform. And this 5.4, India from table 2. So this is how you have to analyze a given answer. Now take another case, intonation in English language. Intonation in English language. So the title is clear. It comes under linguistics. So as a classifier, if you are regularly using it, you can easily understand if the number starts with philosophy 1, religion 2, social sciences 3, languages 4, pure sciences 5, applied sciences or technology 6, arts 7, literature 8, history, geography and travel 9. So these things you should remember, at least these main classes. So English language, intonation means it's related to linguistics, so it will start from 4. That is the basic main class you should fix. And look for intonation in the index. Before looking for intonation, I have already told you this is related to English language. So you should look under English first. If you look under English, the capital letter word, can find language. Under language, linguistics 420, literature 820. So linguistics 420, literature 820, and see also language 21. So these things you should note it down. Linguistics 420, literature, English literature 820, and LANG, language table. If you see hyphen here, hyphen before a number, it's deemed to be, it has been taken from the table. What table? Language table. Now let us go and look for the number intonation. For intonation, you can see intonation, linguistics, standard forms, language subdivision number is 16. I'll note down that also. Intonation. Intonation, LANGSUB number -16. So this is the number I have taken. Standard form. Unless they mentioned non-standard form of English, they have mentioned only English. If you find any language, any title in languages which didn't mention non-standard form, then they are deemed to be standard form. Here they need not write standard form of English. When we say English language, it's deemed to be standard form of English. When we say Tamil language, it's deemed to be standard form of Tamil, like that only. So if it is a non-standard form, they will explicitly mention non-standard form. Okay. And what are all the numbers we have? We have 420, we have 820, we have language number table, we have language subdivision table number 16. All these numbers we have. We have to decide which is the main class, linguistics or literature. So from the index, we note it down all the numbers, related numbers. Now we have to decide whether the title is related to linguistics or literature. It is obviously not literature, it is linguistics only. So the number is 420. Straight away go to 420 in the schedules. Where is the 420? Here it is 420, English and Anglo-Saxon languages. Base number for English is 42. Base number for English is 42, and you can see one star mark also. What this base number tells you, remove this 0. Okay, remove this last 0. That is the instruction here. So if the language numbers ends with 0, then you can remove the base number. For example, German language, then the base number is 43. French language, the base number is 44. Italian language, the base number is 45. So if the language number ends with 0, you can remove that 0. That is the instruction. Okay. So this base number for Italian is 45 is an instruction. So in DDC, they will not give instruction under the title instruction. So like this only, one line will be there. you should treat it as a instruction. Okay. They will give you an example. Then example can be treated as a instruction. Okay, as per that we have removed that 0 and there is an one star mark is there. For that star mark there is a footnote is here and that footnote states that add to base number as instructed under 420 to 490. What is that 420 to 490 says? So 420 starts here. Lot of instructions are there. I am going to that instruction which we need most. Under each language identified by star and subdivision of individual languages notation 01 to 86 from table 4 to the designated base number. Okay. What is our designated base number? 42. Here also they have given, if the base number is not identified in the note, it is the number in the number column. That is the base number. Okay. For example, Japanese. For Japanese, the base number is 495.6 only. Why? There is no 0 here to omit. So the full number 495.6. 495.6 is the number for Japanese. That is the base number. That is what they are telling here. So they are giving you permission to add notation 01 to 86 from table 4 to the base number. So from the index we got the number for linguistics and we got the number for, and this also ruled out, language, that also ruled out because it belongs to linguistics. We got that first main class. And intonation is under language subdivision -6. 420 plus -6, 421.6. How we add this number? As I said earlier, in DV decimal classification, you should not add numbers without instructions. How we add this 16 to 42 with the instructions given under 420 to 490, which states that add subdivision of individual languages under each language identified by asterisk, that is star symbol. Here also you can see each language, and every language has been identified by star. This Hellenic languages, classical Greek, star, you can find star. Japanese, you can find star. Korean, you can find star. Dravidian language, Tamil, you can find star. Malayalam, you can find star. So under each languages identified by star, add subdivisions of individual languages notation 01 to 86 from table 4 to the designated base number. So using that instruction only, we are adding this language subdivision to linguistics. Final answer.